Welcome back. We wanted to give you a little bit more information on our new mPanel product as opposed to the overview we provided in our previous video. First of all, mPanel is a 7-inch wall-mountable touchscreen. That means you can go up to it and control it from the touchscreen itself. It uses a bright TFT display that works great in dark or ambient light environments. It's about roughly the size of your media center remote. Okay, now let's talk about how easy it is to install mPanel. There are 5 steps that take literally a few minutes. So, step number 1, you want to go visit our website and download wall preparation instructions, essentially cutout information. Once you've prepared your wall, you're ready to move on to step number 2. Step number 2, we need to attach the necessary cables to the mPanel. There are 2 sets of cables that we need to attach. Number 1 is your standard Ethernet cable. This serves 2 purposes. Number 1, it allows us to access our home network. And the network is important for 2 reasons. First of all, we're going to use it to access the home automation server, which controls all the devices in our home. And number 2, we're going to use it to access our media. And in addition to that, this serves another purpose. It powers up the mPanel. It powers up not only the touchscreen, but the onboard amplifier. The second set of cables that you need to attach is your speaker cables. You don't have to run speakers cabling now to a centralized amplifier. There's an onboard amplifier. So once you attach the speaker cables to here, you're good to go to control your local speakers in that room. So this is a very low-cost, easy-to-install alternative to bringing music or control into a room. Step number 3, we want to mount the mPanel to the wall. Using the dogleg design, we have to tighten 4 screws, and the mPanel is now attached to your wall. Step number 4, we want to power up the mPanel. When we power up the mPanel, it comes directly into your mPanel user interface, which we see here. From here, we can move on to step number 5. Step number 5, we want to set up our home network. We want to tell mPanel where our home automation server is and where our music is kept. We also want to tell it what's our favorite zone. What's the zone that we want to use as our home zone. We want to tell it maybe what is our security device, what is our climate control device. So it's easy to access these devices. And now you're done. You're ready to use mPanel. Now that mPanel is up and running, we're ready to use mPanel to control our home or play some music. So let's get to it. Let's control a device. Let's go select some music we want to play. And I'm going to show you the power of this mPanel. We're going to play a song, and using the Power over Ethernet technology, we can play up to 20 watts per channel. So the song was going to sound great.
To my life, for all the wrong that you made right.